and this is so freaking cute. What's good with the chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be making a pillow, but not any kind of pillow. If you guys actually probably wouldn't know, I've been obsessed playing Fortnite for the last few months now. And this new update they have sprites, which is something that we collect in whatever. It's part of the gameplay. So I'm going to be attempting to make a Fortnite Water Sprite. Let's get it. Let's go. Basically, I'm going to just start. I got this fabric from the craft store that I'm going to be using as my base. This is what the Water Sprite looks like, by the way. I probably already popped it up like 10 times before this, but this is the one that I'm going to be making. So this is the closest fabric that I can find. Like, it has like the gradients of the blues to make it look like water. There's also like this little water symbol that's on the front on his belly. This fabric I'm hoping, you know, to use for that. And then I also have some black felt that I might be using for the eyes, and then white cotton to use as well. So basically my idea is I have a projector. I am going to project my image onto my fabric, so that way I'm not just freehanding it. It's not cheating, but they are assisting me with this, right? I'm gonna lay out my fabric, get my image up, cut it out, and kind of go from there. I've never made like a stuffy plushy pillow type deal. The only pillows you guys see me made was like the heart pillow, so that's the closest like shape that I've ever done. So this is gonna be kind of different. Let's get straight into it. I'm gonna lay my fabric. I'm gonna keep it folded just because I think it would be easier to cut a front and back piece instead of just doing two separate pieces. So you can kind of see I'm actually sitting on the floor, so I'm able to get a bigger image picking up on the camera. Now I'm just gonna go ahead, take my scissors, and cut out the image. All right, so I have him all cut out. Now I'm basically going to be able to move this, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut out the eyes, the mouth, and the water symbol that's right here. And again, I do have two pieces of that fabric. So here's one eye. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use this and cut another one. So they're not perfect, but it definitely gives it that, you know, made from scratch characteristic. But I have the two eyes now. Now I need to focus on the water symbol, and I think this one's going to be a little bit tricky, and I actually might have to trace it out. All right, yeah, and then before I even go to the sewing machine, I am going to go ahead and basically just put some basting spray and start putting our pieces kind of where they need to go. Okay, so we are back up. We have everything cut out and placed. She walks into frame every single time I talk. Anyways, this is what it's looking like so far, and this is so freaking cute. So what we're gonna do now, we just need to go ahead and sew all of this on. Then we're gonna put it together, stuff it with some stuffing, and we're gonna have us a water baby. Oh my God, this is so cute. We got all of our things sewn on. Now we're just gonna go ahead and take our scissors and cut off these threads, and then we're gonna attach it all together. But I also gotta tell you that bag I made you, it caught on fire. Yeah, I said it was the universe telling me that the bag was fire. All right, now that we got that all cleaned up, now what we're gonna do is just take this and our back fabric that we cut out. We're gonna mirror it, so we're gonna put right sides facing each other. Basically, all we're gonna do is just sew all the way around the edges, and on the bottom here, we're gonna actually leave this open so we are able to stuff. Y'all, we are one step closer to our water baby. Before we actually turn this right side out, I am gonna go ahead and snip around the round edges. This just, when you fold it back and stuff it, it's gonna look a little bit more round than like a boxy squarish. Now we got the edges snipped, something like this. We are just gonna go ahead and flip our project inside out, and we are gonna get our stuffing and stuff the heck out of this. So cute. Like, if you know, you know. We got some polyfill. We're just gonna go ahead and stuff this thing up. I don't think I have the sticks in here to help me push it through, so I'm gonna have to find something that's gonna be long enough to help kind of push all the things out. Alright, now that we got that filled, I'm gonna close the bottom of the hole that we just used to stuff, and we're just going to do a simple top stitch to close that up. Alright, yeah, and just like that, we have our little water sprite baby. Let me know what you guys think down below. First flaw I will point out is I need a little bit more stuffing. It's not staying inside of the arms, but I used what I had, and this is so freaking cute. So let me know down in the comment section, how did I do? Should I remake another one? Let me know which one I should remake. As always, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below what you guys like to see next. Stay positive, and of course, I'll be back for more videos. Bye!
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.